At Data.ai, we help you meet and exceed growth targets. As a leader of your UA team, you are confronted with growing competition and increased privacy regulations, leading to audience targeting challenges. As a result, creative efficacy is critical to engaging with your users. In the advertising module, identify the ad platforms your competitors are using and how their spend is trending over time. Next, in the Creatives gallery, see your competitors' actual creatives across multiple ad platforms and formats. Gauge a creative's overall effectiveness by viewing the number of days active. What works in one market may differ from another, therefore, be sure to review creatives by country. Finally, in the Apps Seen In column, uncover where creatives are served to create blacklists for brand protection and whitelists for ad effectiveness. With growing competition and challenging audience targeting, the advertising module and Creatives gallery helps you to maximize your performance.